Here is another episode of Tumavele from programtom.com here. So in this episode, I'm gonna talk about what is blockchain, explain with teddy bear analogy. So if you have a machine that checks the quality of teddy bear toy in year 2021, you need a serious machine. You could build that with a minimum amount of money, and the requirements are SSD space, RAM, processor, internet speed, that will be needed for a full node of Bitcoin or Ethereum. So all this is a technical from technical aspect. You need a lot of space that will store and download the updates of the blockchain, and you need the processing power that is required to do the checks, and RAM memory, so the blockchain application could get up in memory and do the checks, the hash code verifications of the chain. And yeah, if you want a piece of the teddy bear, you need a specialized machine. So if you want to mine yourself a teddy bear, you need a specialized machine. Yeah, Ethereum moved to proof of stake, so you will not be able to mine it with any machine, but you need to purchase a lot of Ethereum, 32 I think. So yeah, this is out of date. The second big uh, type of toys that have also sounds, effects, and could be programmable are the smart contract places. Uh, Behind it, it lies the features of the blockchain, and it goes beyond just fluff. And yeah, the biggest teddy bear is the Bitcoin, and it is the oldest. It is wrapping of toys, non-tertiary material, and could hold up to predefined amount of weighting. So if you want more transactions, you need layer 2 solutions. So the blockchain is the glue, the fluff, the weighting. It is the ingredient. So because it is open source, and developers grabbed it and changed it and made it more centralized by importing more software and actually introducing the coins from initial coin offering places and stuff. And yeah, it degrades the power of the uh, Satoshi principles, but it introduces with easier, with less need of do more layer 2 solutions on Bitcoin. It gives more power for programming on it. So one of the ways to one of the applications on these smart contract places are NFTs that I call them crypto invoices. So the invoice is unique. In theory, what could sit behind it could be absolutely everything. A ticket, a picture, an image, a musical creation, or real estate, a car, yeah, coffee, absolutely anything. And it is actually the NFT is an address, a description, an address for an image, an address for some other types of asset, and yeah, what is degrading here is the URL addresses to this asset need to sit on IPFS on decentralized locations. Otherwise, they could be changed. So this is just another dependency that need to be handled first before one could start creating actually an NFT application. And the magic of the NFTs is that they are public, visible, verifiable, and programmable. This is the most important part. If I learned how to code it, I could make a system with it. I could sell or register a ticket in a specialized FOF. So if this system is embedded in other places, others could use it to mark, uh, to make actually patents of these selling points. So uh, if someone creates a derivative works, if the selling of the derivative works could redirect money to the original creations. This is paying dividends. Another type of applications that could be the NFT is the uh, unique individual number of individual uh, that is issued by every country. So in Bulgaria it is EGNE. It's a identifier for every citizen. In America is social security number, and in other places have other types of citizen identifiers. And all of these currently mm, one could purchase temporary license, unique qualified electronic signature hardware too that he could use to identify against government and public websites. But if but these are centralized. If one of the application is integrated with a blockchain, this could be more durable and more lasting than the current issued by third-party vendors. So this could minimize the need to spread the personal information to third parties. And yeah, with such unique uh, applications that integrate with the blockchain, a country could issue an anonymous cryptographic login based on the individual numbers. And, uh, with such tools could be used also for voting, and yeah, because there are child public-private keys, public-private pairs of the main. So this is how the blockchain works. From one pair, a user could create a child or reference pairs, and he could use them to sign and verify and do all the crypto stuff on the child records. And this could implement anonymity in the signing of different types of applications. So the cryptography could protect the result, and there are checks, cryptographics that could be implemented to protect the results, like timestamping a document and signing it, and no one could reverse and actually manipulate it because the resulting hash of the change will be different. So in theory, the number of applications is endless. This blockchain technology that underlines uh, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the others, there are endless amount of applications, and because they copy paste the main idea, but do not copy paste actually the user base. They create a new site with zero and after the copy paste, the the new software actually has zero uh, users, and this creates vulnerabilities in them to be hacked and to actually be used as scams. So uh, this one of the stopping points of blockchain and Bitcoin, because it is open, it allows to be copy pasted, and uh, it allows individuals to create a new copies of blockchains and with which have zero users, and many of these individuals actually do it for malicious purposes. But in general, there are endless numbers of applications that could be built, like a 3D printer. You could actually output endless variations of creative. And uh, the bad thing is not all of these new creations are checked if they are valid uh, in practice. There is a lot of marketing going on, and they use Bitcoin as a name, as a branding, and uh, this way the this individual that copy paste the main blockchain and introduce new rules and make new block coins uh, or Ethereum tokens or any type of tokens on it actually hurt the big teddy bear, the Bitcoin. So there is a lot of complexity in this niche. So this also introduces hurt to the total niche and total um, area of penetration of this platform. So yeah, it cannot be easily explained to a non-tech individual. And this introduces a need for a middleman. That is what was the main idea of Satoshi, to not have a middleman. Yeah. So the Bitcoin already allowed people to exchange coins in a spreadsheet without banks and corporations. And that was the first toy, financial teddy bear. And because uh, people could copy paste and integrate other stuff, there could be more systems created on it. But yeah, we'll see if after the new all-time high of Bitcoin, if it will return to the top. It's $73,000.